you guys? It's Dani here, and it is Wednesday, which means I have another Wednesday workout for you. That's right, you, the badass, that's who I'm talking to. We have a high-intensity interval training workout today that will take only 15 minutes of your time. You don't need any equipment, you don't need a gym, you just need a little bit of space. So here's the breakdown. We have 3 total rounds of 5 total exercises, doing work intervals of 45 seconds, rest intervals of 15 seconds. Follow me to see the demonstrations, and let's get started.